Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Paramount Plus subscription step by step clearly. First, identify where you originally subscribed, such as the Paramount Plus website, Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Amazon, Roku, or your TV provider. If you are not sure, open your email and search for Paramount Plus to find the billing receipt and the platform name. If you subscribed on the Paramount Plus website, go to Paramount Plus, come on a browser, and sign into your account. Click your profile icon, then choose Account or Settings depending on what you see. Find the section called Subscription and locate the option Manage Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription and read the message about what happens when you cancel. Confirm the cancellation, and make sure you see a confirmation screen or message. Take a screenshot of the confirmation so you have proof in case you need it later. Next, check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Paramount Plus. If you subscribe through Apple on iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap your Apple ID name at the top. Tap Subscriptions, then select Paramount Plus. Tap Cancel Subscription, then confirm to finish the cancellation. If you subscribe through Apple on a Mac, open the App Store, click your name, and go to Account Settings. Scroll to Subscriptions, click Manage. Select Paramount Plus, then click Cancel Subscription. If you subscribe through Google Play on Android, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Select Paramount Plus, tap Cancel Subscription, choose a reason if asked, and confirm. If you subscribe through Amazon, go to Amazon.com and open your account. Select Memberships and Subscriptions or Prime Video channels, depending on your region. Find Paramount Plus and choose Cancel Channel. Then confirm your choice. If you subscribed through Roku, go to My Roku.com and sign in. Click Manage Your Subscriptions and locate Paramount Plus. Click Unsubscribe, then confirm the cancellation and check for the updated status. If you subscribed through a TV or mobile provider, open that provider's account portal or billing page. Find add-ons or premium channels and locate Paramount Plus. Select Cancel, Remove, or turn off Auto-Renew. Then confirm the change. After canceling, verify that Auto-Renew is off and note the date your access will end. If the cancel option is missing, try canceling on the device where you subscribed, or use a different browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.